Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I just can see New Jersey had a blizzard kind of. And today, me and my little brother, we're gonna be playing in the snow. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you see, we did put oil spray on this, and we're gonna slide really quick. Let's go. Ready, set, go! Guys, what's this?
Whoa!
So, as you guys can see, I am gonna crash into snow. Anyways, so if you guys like sledding, let me know in the comments. Okay, I love going sledding. It's one of my favorite things about the snow. Comment down below what's your favorite thing to do when you're at snow. Okay? Do you like to go snowball? I had a little incident there. Do you like to go sledding? Do you like to drink hot cocoa? Let me know, okay guys? Look at this baby. We're gonna get one more big chunk of snow. Let's go. You guys wanna see me go with no hands? Alright. But of course I have to hold on first. And then once I get like a little hang of it, I'm gonna let go. Alright, let's do this guys. So, as you can see, look how cool the design is. So, this is my favorite sled.
So what's that?
It's oil spray.
Oil spray. Let me see. Let me see. Oh wow. So you spray that on those things and it makes it go faster?
Yep. Let's let the small one go first. Watch out, guys.
Okay, Levi, when you run, don't run too far down because it's too far.
Oh, we missed it. Well, mine's really big, so.
Okay, let me see.
We're gonna have a race, guys. First one to hit this. Let's go. We're gonna race to this. First one to hit the snow win.
All right, let's see.
Just one, go.
You guys gotta be careful. You guys gotta slide a little bit sooner than that.
Like this.
Alfie! Wishy.
Alright, guys.
That's our dog, guys. Alfie.
He's a part of the Roman family fun.
Wishy.
Alright, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you got
All right, hold on, guys. It's Dad's turn. Who's gonna record me?
me.
Okay.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna record my dad. He's not. I think he's gonna bust his butt, guys. Here.
Alright.
Get a big one.
Don't cover that.
You going with Dad? Alright, guys. It's my parents.
How you doing, guys? It's Dad's turn. Let's see how this goes.
Wait for me.
Come a little closer, guys. Oh, and Mom's gonna come too. Go ahead.
Levi, give her yours. I'll get you the big one.
Are you trying to call me big?
Ready? On your mark.
Wait, 1 second, guys. You gotta come a little closer, guys.
Come on, Alfie. Alfie.
Oh my God, what is he doing? Alfie! There he is. All right.
gets hit with snowballs.
Oh.
Ready? 1, 2.
Psych.
Psych. All right, come on, guys. Come back. Hurry up. I'm the winner, guys. Watch this. 1, 2,
Don't do the side.
3.
Yeah.
I'm the champion,
Get
guys.
out of here! I won. Snowball mom, she came in last. Oh. Ah.
Snowballer. No. Come on. No. Oh, you got your grandpa. He's gonna get you. Alfie having a.
Okay, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Roman's Family Fun. Say goodbye, guys.
Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys later.
Oh!
He's going down.
You going down, Levi? Let's see.
3, 2, 1, go! Ah!
Oh, how does that feel?
Ah, ice just got in my eye.
Okay, guys, so we have a little challenge, right? Dad is gonna be the goalie. Levi's gonna kick the ball, and he's gonna try to see if he can score. LA's next. All right, guys. 1 point for the kids, 0 points for Dad. Round 2. Let's see if LA can do it.
Go away. Go away. Blindfolded?
Oh.
Yeah. Now you're kicking.
Okay, guys. Now it's Dad's turn. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going that way. Just so you know, I'm going that way to the right.
Let's see.
Dad's the winner!
Wait, no. You got 2 points. You got 1. Hey. Hey, that's a red card.
All right, guys, we're gonna have a race. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You okay?